5-minute crafts family videos, another brand new video. Today's video, I will make a paper pen, or you can say today we will decorate a pen with paper. And please subscribe my channel. For making paper pen, we need two papers. You can see their shapes, and also we need a pen. First, we'll roll the paper with the pen, as you can see in the video. Now we will decorate the pen with fluid. My decorating is completed. How you will decorate your pen, it's your choice. But today I have decorated with little fluid balls and underline them with black color. Then we'll glue it the paper. And roll the pen with the paper. Roll the pen carefully. My rolling the pen is completed. Now we'll make the pen's cap. I have also decorated the pen's cap with fluid. And now we'll make the pen's cap. We have to also roll the pen's cap with the sides of pen, and now we'll glue it. Okay, now we'll also glue it in here. Neither our pen's ink will be disappointed. Our pen's cap and pens is also ready. But I think the pen needs more decorations. So now I am using a bear emoji and a river pen. You can also draw a emoji like this, or you can use stickers. Now I will stick the ribbon with the pen. I'm using tape. You can also do it with glue. Now I am using a red coloring border paper for more decorate